tutorial I want to show you how to install ArcGis 10.8. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. All right. Click it and extract files. So extract the file, click OK. It's going to take some few seconds to extract this file. So after extracting, you have something like this. So what to do is to double-click. Double-click and open. So you will see two files inside, also zips. They have this desktop and the activations. So what to do is to right-click this first. This one, and also extract files. Click OK to extract, so it's this. It should take few seconds to extract it. It has been extracted similarly. This second file, also right-click and extract file. Then click OK to extract it. So it has been extracted as well. Now we are ready for installation. So the first one to install is this ArcGis Desktop 10.8. So double-click it to open. So this is the setup for installations. So to install, just double-click it to install. So you click Next. Because I've installed it before on this laptop, that's why it's asking me this. I will just say do this for all and override everything. So it's extracting the data. And this will take a while to do. So just have to be patient with it, but this is the process of installation. So now what to do is that. Make sure this thing is checked. Then you click to launch the installation proper. Make sure it is set its check and you click on Close. So it will bring a pop-up where you click Yes. You click Next. You accept the time and condition the agreement. Click Next. It is a complete installation. Click Next. Click Next, and of course, if you want to practice, you can check this all on check. It's recommended. You can leave it like that and click Install. So this installation actually takes time. So in fact, this may take several minutes. So you have to be patient for it. And make sure you don't cancel it. And also make sure your laptop is plugged or you have enough power or battery backup so that it will not. Your laptop will not go off in the middle of the installations. So you have to wait for it because it will take several minutes. So the process is completed. You click on Finish. Click on OK. Click OK. So now that you have done this, you move some step backward. Yes to the activations. So what you do now is open this activation folder. Open the crack this AF call. You copy this file. Copy. Then you come here. You see they recently added Map 3 Army 10.8. Right-click it, go to More, open file location. See this at right-click it again, open file locations. So let's now expand this. Then you right-click here and paste that file. We copy the other time, then replace the file in the destination, click Continue. So it is pasted, so you can now close this. Close this, so if you come back here, This one app map.10.8, click on it to open it. See, it's initializing the applications. I'm not connected to online, so this is how to install ArcGis 10.8. So it will soon open. So it has opened because I have installed it here before. That's why it's bringing all this former project I've done, so just a cancel or close. So you can enable the table of content here. So when you install, add this nearly like this. What to do is to go to the Customize. When you click on Customize, you go to Extension. All this, make sure you check as many as you need. But if you need all, check this everything. Make sure they are check and close. So this is how to install ArcGis 10.8.